Ever wondered about the top symptoms of high blood pressure you shouldn't ignore? Picture this, an invisible force silently wreaking havoc within your body. It's high blood pressure, a condition that often sneaks up unnoticed, earning it the moniker, the silent killer. High blood pressure or hypertension is a prevalent health concern worldwide. It's a significant factor in heart disease, stroke, and even kidney failure. But the dangerous part? It often comes without warning signs. This is why recognizing its symptoms early on becomes crucial. Understanding these symptoms can be a lifesaver. It equips you with knowledge, allowing you to take timely action, manage the condition, and potentially avoid serious health complications. Today, we're going to delve into this topic. We'll explore the top 10 symptoms that could indicate high blood pressure, symptoms that you shouldn't ignore. So buckle up, get comfortable, and prepare to learn. Stay tuned to discover the top 10 symptoms that could indicate high blood pressure. Starting with the first 3 symptoms, pay close attention as these might be happening to you or someone you know. The first symptom we're discussing is headaches. Now, we're not talking about your usual tension headache that comes and goes. We're referring to persistent, recurrent headaches that seem to throb in time with your heartbeat. This is a potential sign of high blood pressure, as the increased force of blood against your arteries can lead to discomfort in your head. The second symptom on our list is fatigue. This isn't the kind of tiredness you feel after a long day at work or an intense workout. It's a constant, inexplicable exhaustion that doesn't seem to lift even after a good night's sleep. High blood pressure can cause your heart to work harder than it should, resulting in a fatigue that is difficult to shake off. Lastly, we have confusion. This could manifest as difficulty remembering things, struggling to make decisions, or feeling disoriented. High blood pressure can affect your brain's function, leading to cognitive changes. So if you or someone you know has been experiencing unexplained confusion, it might be time to check that blood pressure. These 3 symptoms, headaches, fatigue, and confusion, are potential indicators of high blood pressure. However, they can also be signs of other health issues. So it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing any of them persistently. Remember, these are just the first 3 symptoms. There's more to uncover. Moving on, let's delve into the next 3 symptoms of high blood pressure. Firstly, we have chest pain. This isn't your everyday ache. It's a kind of discomfort that may feel like a heavy pressure or squeezing in your chest. This occurs because high blood pressure can cause your arteries to harden and narrow, restricting the flow of blood to your heart. The heart has to work harder than usual, leading to this discomfort. Next up, we have an irregular heartbeat. Also known as arrhythmia, this symptom can manifest as a heartbeat that's too fast, too slow, or just plain irregular. This happens because high blood pressure can cause changes in your heart structure, leading to abnormal heart rhythms. You might feel like your heart is fluttering, racing, or skipping beats. Lastly, vision problems can also be a symptom of high blood pressure. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in your eyes, affecting your vision. You might experience blurred vision or even loss of vision. It's like looking through a foggy window where everything is hazy and unclear. These symptoms might seem scary, but remember, they're your body's way of telling you something may be off. It's essential to listen to these signals and seek medical advice if you experience any of these symptoms. With 6 symptoms covered, you're getting a clearer picture, but we're not done yet. In this segment, we'll reveal the final 4 symptoms that you should never ignore. Let's start with shortness of breath. When your blood pressure reaches dangerously high levels, your heart may not be able to pump blood efficiently, resulting in a lack of oxygen in your body. This could lead to a feeling of breathlessness. Next up is blood in urine. While it might not be a direct result of high blood pressure, it can be an indication of kidney damage, which can be a consequence of prolonged high blood pressure. Therefore, if you notice this symptom, it's essential to seek medical attention immediately. The third symptom to look out for is a pounding sensation in your chest, ears, or neck. This is often described as a throbbing or whooshing sound in your ears, or a strong, rapid heartbeat that you can feel in your chest or neck. This can be a sign of a sudden spike in your blood pressure. Lastly, difficulty breathing can also be a symptom of high blood pressure. Similar to shortness of breath, it indicates that your heart is working overtime to pump blood, leading to inadequate oxygen supply to your body. It's crucial to remember that these symptoms might not always be present, even if you have high blood pressure. Regular checkups are, therefore, a must to keep track of your blood pressure levels and ensure that they are under control. Now that you're aware of all 10 symptoms, it's time to understand their significance. We've covered a lot of ground today. Let's wrap it up. We've delved into the top 10 symptoms of high blood pressure, each one a potential red flag that shouldn't be ignored. From the subtle signs like persistent headaches and vision problems, to more noticeable ones such as chest pain and difficulty breathing, it's crucial to be aware of these symptoms. Then there are the less obvious signs like fatigue, irregular heartbeat, blood in the urine, and pounding in your chest, neck, or ears. While these might seem insignificant on their own, when combined, they paint a picture that should not be overlooked. Lastly, the symptoms of confusion and difficulty remembering things might seem like everyday occurrences, but they could be an indication of something more serious. Recognizing these symptoms is not about inducing panic, but about promoting early detection and treatment. High blood pressure, also known as the silent killer, can lead to serious health complications like heart disease and stroke if left unchecked. But with awareness and vigilance, it can be managed effectively. Remember, these symptoms serve as our body's way of warning us that something isn't quite right. Paying attention to them could potentially save a life. It could be yours or that of a loved one. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to recognize the symptoms of high blood pressure. Remember, early detection is key. Stay healthy and vigilant.